What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another weekly update on the um, live strategies on a bulenox prop firm account. So last week we ended with $51,336 for the account. So that was here, right? 16th, yeah, Friday 16th, yeah. So this week came down a little bit, but first we went up, then we came down, so we reduced our max drawdown value. Right now we have about $1,800 to play with. We got up to 51,700, and then had four losing days in a row. But what's one thing that's good so far is, even though we have losing days, our losing days are much smaller, than winning days. So, not too bad of a week. Couple things. Just Ninjatrader again is just so annoying that I'm constantly in here, disabling, enabling strategies just to get them to work right and take trades. It's just they just don't work good with strategies together. So I've been emailing the Ninjascript support a lot actually, and they're saying to put it all into one strategy and order it all from there and manage it all from there. So that's what I'm going to be trying to do. But so far I've already started. I've only put three strategies in there so far, but I don't even get what's going on. This is what ends up happening. So for one, buying when price isn't even there. That's one of the issues. Then it just starts doing stuff like this, like it's hitting stop loss to enter, and then closing the position when it should be entering the position. Then somehow it's always in the market here. Like, just so many bugs with Ninjascript. And like, look at this. Doesn't even make sense. And like, yeah. Basically, what they said to do, like, when you add a data series, right? You do whatever instrument, then you do you can do the 90 minutes, right? So this becomes your bars in progress 1. So then in the actual on-bar update, it's it's supposed to be when you do if bars in progress equals 1, then you do whatever, right? But it's just not working. Like, because the idea is on-bar update will call every time a new bar is formed. And if you add the 90 minute, so say you're running strategy on the 1 minute, every 1 minute it's going to run on-bar update, but also every 90 minutes on that, say it runs at 3:30 is when a new 90-minute bar comes. Then it's going to run on our on-bar update 2 times in that, for that one candle, because the 3:30 1-minute bar and the 3:30 90-minute bar. So that's why you got to make sure that this bar is only the 90-minute bar. So from there, like, it should just be copy and pasting the strategy from before, but it's not. It gives completely different results if I change this 1 minute and back test it. Like, I'll show you guys. We do strategy performance, historical. Here we got this. That's on the 1 minute. bar chart. But now let's switch it to the, yeah, we can do the 90 historical. What is it? Oh shoot, sorry. Then these are the results. Brr. So it's just like, it just doesn't make sense, right? Like 20 trades, 19 trades, 20% profitable, 30% profitable. We had 4 winning, 7 losing on the long side. Here we had 2 winning, 9 losing, and 2 and 7, 2 and 6. Like it just doesn't even make sense. And I've already double, triple checked it all. Like it should be working fine, and it's just not. So yeah, kind of stuck right now. Not really sure what I'm gonna do. I was looking at a couple other platforms. Um, Maybe looking at only trading. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe creating a master algo that only trades one strategy for each instrument. That way they're not messing up with each other. But look, I can even do set these to 0 so they don't trade. Now I can do the exact same thing. So this one runs on the actual 90 bars. That's the one days into. Right, this strategy, the added data series, is the 90 bar chart. So this should be the exact results. So here's the 90 bar one. Now let's change it to the 1 minute, and here's the 1 minute. So completely different results. Like 5 and 5, 4 and 6, 0 and 7, 1 and 3. Like it just doesn't even make sense because the this strategy, the only way these are making and setting positions is if a new 90 bar is is created, it's updated. So that's just an issue with Ninjascript, I think. I mean, platform's shit. So yeah, not sure what I'm gonna do. I'm looking at maybe go to MetaTrader. I mean, I already know how to code in that pretty good, and then just maybe do a live account. Um, Also, since you can do like micros on there, I don't need as much money to put in. I'm trying to think what else. I mean, not a ton of other options. I looked at some other platforms and those all cost a lot of money, so not really interested in doing that. But yeah, we'll see if I could just get the master algo working. That would be great. But I have that issue with it taking wrong trades, and also another one where one of my strategies updates the stop loss. So let me. Alright, so say strategy one buys here. Shoot. Buys here, right? How do I... Okay. And bet the stop loss here. And what it does is on every new candle, it modifies the stop loss to follow it. How do I control it? Alright, well I don't really know how to use this, but so after this candle's printed, right? Then it's gonna move the stop loss here. And this candle will stop loss here. Now what I need to make sure is say while this is a 90-minute candle. So say inside of this candle, a different position or a different strategy is selling, say they sell here with a stop loss here and a TP here. So say while we're still in a buy, we sell here. Now our net position is flat, but I want it to keep all these orders. So then, if say price comes down to here, hits TP, right? This TP is going to be a buy limit. So as it comes down here, right? So we buy here, in profit to here. Now, we enter the sell from the other strategy. Now we're stuck in profit, right? We capture that, let's just say 10. Now our position is flat because we sold here. Now we come down here, we're still flat this whole time, but now we buy here. So now our entry is here. This stop loss gets canceled. Hits TP. So now we buy here. The stop loss gets canceled, and now we go up, and now we just make all of this. Like all this just became more profits as we go up until we close the position up here for for the same thing. So basically, just because we go flat doesn't mean I want to cancel this order and all the other orders and just start looking for new entries. I want it to be able to hit TP, buy here, and then keep going. Or, hit TP, come down to this stop loss, and allow this strategy to make money if this one loses. Or other way around, if we keep going up. This would be a buy stop. So if we just ran through this sell loses money, but the buy keeps going. So that's what I wish would happen, but looks like that's not what's gonna happen. So okay, yeah. So the issue, another problem I need to fix with Master Algo is being able to keep track of if we're actually just flat, or if we're flat but still strategies are still trying to trade. Because if we're flat and I'm still trying to trade some strategies, I need to still be able to update just that strategy, which I haven't figured out how to do yet. Because usually when it's just a strategy by itself, I just do position equals market position long, and then I know that strategy is going to buy. But if our market position is flat, it's because we're in a buy and a sell at the same time, then I can't use that anymore. So that's basically what's going on with the live algo. I guess this is only a $20 bulenox account, so it's fine. I don't really care too much about it, but it's just extremely annoying and just a pain in the ass to deal with. So I don't think I'll be putting live money on this, but it is good just to kind of see how stuff works and get used to it. And hopefully by the time I do want to put live money in it, I do have a solution. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Just leave anything, any tips, any if you guys have any experience and want to share that, I'd really appreciate it. So thanks for watching. Take care. Peace.